Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off Windows Defender in Windows 10 with easy to follow steps. So without wasting any more time, let's get right to it. To temporarily turn off Windows Defender, press the Windows key and I on your keyboard. Click Update and Security. Click Windows Security. Click Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down a bit. Under Virus and Threat Protection Settings, click Manage Settings. On this page, turn everything off by clicking these buttons. Please note that this is a temporary solution. Once you restart your system, Windows Defender will turn back on. If you want to permanently disable Windows Defender, here's what you need to do. Right-click the Start icon and click Run. In the search bar here, type regedit, then hit Enter. On this page, select HKey Local Machine, then Software. Scroll down until you locate Policies. Click to expand it, then expand Microsoft. Scroll down, right-click Windows Defender, select New, then dword 32-bit value. Type this in. Ensure that you pay attention to the spelling and spacing. This is very important. Double-click this file to open it. Then set the value here to 1. Ensure that hexadecimal is selected. Then click OK. This will permanently disable Windows Defender. If you ever want to undo this change, simply right-click this file and click Delete. Then click OK. If you get the access denied error message, follow the steps on screen to fix it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.